Hello and welcome back. Today's recipe is a beverage, a very simple one but with lots of health benefits. Guava Leaf Tea, Goyya Ilai Theneer. You just need the leaves and water to make this tea. You can also use the dried leaves if fresh guava leaves are not available. This is a local variety of guava plant yet to grow into a tree. You can use whichever variety is available at your place. Take around 6 to 7 guava leaves. Use tender leaves. These leaves have to be washed in water. Set it aside. If you want to use dried guava leaves, you can wash the fresh leaves, dry it in shade, and then store it in an airtight container. You can either crush the leaves and add, or you can use the powdered form. Now to prepare the tea, switch on the stove. Add 3 cups of water, 200 ml each cup. Tear the leaves and add them to the water. The dried leaves come in handy while traveling, and the guava leaf tea has been traditionally used in the treatment of diarrhea, digestive problems, in case of nausea, intestinal disorders, and in the treatment of stomach ulcers. They help manage diabetes, they aid in weight loss, it helps boost immunity, it is full of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. Not only that, it has a calming effect on the nervous system and helps improve the quality of sleep. Now, allow the water to boil until the water reduces to 2 cups. The water has to boil so that the essence of the leaves get into the water. Now you can see that the color of the water has turned greenish. Now it has reduced to 2 cups. Switch off the stove and strain the water. This tea is best had as it is. If required, you can add powdered jaggery or honey. Consume it once or twice a week to enjoy its health benefits. If you want to take it on a regular basis, and if on medication for diabetes or any other medication or treatment, be sure to monitor your blood glucose levels and other parameters daily and do consult your physician. This tea is also good for the skin and hair. Were you aware of the benefits of guava leaves? Have you had this tea before? Do drop a comment below. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you and have a great day.